Friends, communities, they are the way to go, and future of high impact businesses. Women and moms, as we all know, are core and integral to us and the businesses in which we operate. Integrating best of both the worlds, we were very happy to work through the partnership with a company who is all about this, Mompresso. You have heard of that name, right? An online community, India's largest multilingual content platform for women and of women experts, with 30 million moms consuming content, 400 plus experts lending their expertise, and 15,000 mom bloggers to create awesome content. A parenting guide platform designed to harness the collective wisdom of mothers. Their localization strategy is super, with content generated in 10 local languages to meet the varied needs of a country. Let me now invite Mompresso's co-founder and managing director, Mr. Vishal Gupta, so you can all hear more about a promising partnership from him. Vishal is a highly passionate, innovative, and consumer-first focused professional. His story inspired me. After his varied experiences across different sectors, he saw the potential in an area, and with a strong desire to start something of his own, like all of you, he built this startup, and in no time made it one of the best in the country. Vishal, I thank you for setting such an exemplary example for all budding entrepreneurs who have the fire in them to identify their passions and follow it and live it every day. Over to Vishal.
Momspresso is India's largest and most engaged community of moms, with a vision to inspire the woman in every mom, every day. Over 30 million moms consider Momspresso a safe space where they can freely share and express their truth. We empower mothers by giving them a platform to express themselves in 10 languages and different media, text and video. We also empower them financially through My Money, our micro-influencer platform, where every mom can earn through word-of-mouth marketing campaigns in association with our brand partners. Our key assets are our content creators, micro-influencers, and the mom community. More than 200 brands have leveraged these assets through innovative solutions that we believe represent the future of marketing. Momspresso, committed to empowering and inspiring women every day.
Momspresso is the largest multilingual content platform for women in India. Our three key assets are our creators, 50,000 of them who create passion-led content, our community of 30 million mothers who consume this content, and our micro-influencer network of 100,000 mothers. At Momspresso, our vision is to empower mothers every day. We do that in two ways: by enabling them to express themselves in 10 different languages and enabling them to earn through our micro-influencer platform, My Money. The partnership with Amway is based on, firstly, integrating Amway's e-commerce platform with Momspresso. Secondly, building consideration for Nutrilite using our influencer marketing, content marketing, and social marketing capability. And lastly, there is the opportunity to attract Momspresso creators and micro-influencers and attract them to Amway's ABO proposition. We had a 360-degree digital marketing plan that involved influencer marketing, ranging from celebrities to 400 micro-influencers. And equally importantly, the buzz and engagement that this campaign has created has resulted in category building for supplements, which is a key objective for Amway. The results of this partnership have been fantastic. We've reached out to 37 million users. We've had video views of 7 million, engagements of more than 1 million, and finally, more than 500,000 visits to the Amway site. This has resulted in thousands of new customers being serviced through Amway distributors. In summary, I look forward to deepening this partnership with Amway as we jointly collaborate in our vision of empowering more women every day.